For this video, we will be showing the integrated repair procedures with our cloud estimating. To start out with, I'm going to add a couple of parts to our estimate. So here I'll go to our front bumper and I will add the bumper cover itself. I'll also move on to the side and add the door. Alright, from here to access the integrated repair procedures, we'll go over here to the Estimate tab. And at the very top there's a button that says OE Procedures. We will click on that. So now it brings up our repair procedures. In here we have the front bumper, the door, and the fender. So here I will click on the front bumper, and I have the option then to see the procedures for the front bumper. It gives me a step-by-step procedure to remove and replace the bumper. The same thing with the door. When I click on the door, I'll go here to the door shell, and the same thing. It will give me a step-by-step procedure to replace everything that I've written on the estimate. So at this point, this concludes our demo of the repair procedures.